heat capacity and specific heat capacity. A substance absorbs heat is temperature. Conversely, when a substance loses heat, its temperature decreases. Experiments show that the thermal responses of different material to heat observation is different. For example, water requires a lot of heat to change its temperature, with silver require less heat to change its temperature. A mass body require more heat energy to raise its temperature to a certain value than lighter body of the same material. Heat capacity, thermal capacity. The quantity of heat required to rise and temperature of substance mass or m by 1 second or 1 kilogram is called heat capacity of that substance. If change in heat and is the change in temperature, then the value heat heat capacity depend upon the nature of the material of the substance, the mass of material of the substance, the rate temperature. In a standard internal system, the unit of heat capacity joule per Kelvin, which is expert has joule, 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 joule per Kelvin. Specific heat capacity, specific heat. If we equal amount of different substance, for example copper, iron and water, heat them for a given interval of heat of time under the same flame, so that they are observed the same amount of the heat from the heat sources at the end of interval. A rise in temperature is not the same for all. It is mag, it is it is magnitude for copper, minimum for water, and intermedia for iron. This show that copper is heated quickly where has water very slowly. This this means that if they are all heated so as to have the same rate in temperature, copper will needed least amount of heat and the water will needed the greatest amount of this. For this purpose, the quantity of heat required to rise temperature of unit mass 1.0 kilogram of substance by 1 kilogram is called specific heat and capacity of heat substance. The SI unit of specific heat capacity or specific heat is joule per mole kilogram per Kelvin is expressed by different substances have different specific heat. The quantity of heat needed also depends on the nature of the material. Raising the temperature of 1 kilogram of water by 1 kilogram require but temperature of 1 kilogram aluminium by 1 kilogram 1 centigrade. The specific heat of water at 15 centigrade is 4190 joule per mole. No other substance has a high specific heat capacity of its natural benefit is substantiating life on the planet Earth.